Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I've been doing this analysis on a very routine basis. So that's where, the red line annotation is coming from. And I want to get things updated here as not a whole lot of updates. That's probably not the right word. More so confirmation of levels that I've talked about in the past. The first area of confirmation being this pink line down there, which is the 200 period simple moving average. As I talked about in yesterday's video, that's the level that you want to see hold as support if it gets tested. And it was tested yesterday on a couple different occasions, and definitely did a good job of holding up support. Today, didn't even get tested. I suppose that first 30 minutes got somewhat close, but not really. So going into as far as everything is concerned, today after the dust has settled, that level is still well in play as a level of support. And like I said, hasn't even been tested. So good solid sign of strength on the bulls part from that perspective. Now, on the flip side of things, it's really all about this red line right here. Again, this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched yesterday's video, but I talked about right around $3.63, $3.62, 64, whatever you want to call it, but point being right around that red line. And you can see that today, definitely confirmation that for whatever reason, there's sellers up here. It seems like it's very random, 363 right up around that area. But for whatever reason, you can see there are, like I said, sellers. And the easiest way to see that is especially this afternoon. You can see multiple times this afternoon the bulls try to push up through that level and just couldn't quite do it. So for whatever reason, there's people sitting there wanting to sell their shares, and until that supply can be taken out of the way, then that level is going to pertain as and continue as that area of resistance. So not saying 363 can't be broken or anything like that. I'm just saying that the proof is in the pudding here. Very stubborn area of resistance due to this basically the entire day. The price was knocking on the doors but could never get any sort of genuine break above it. In the event the price can break above 363, next level to keep an eye on is that purple line right there, which is the 50 period simple moving average. But one step at a time, 363 first. So all in all, not the most exciting day in terms of the price exploding upwards, but it was a healthy day, namely for the fact that it's still holding up above that pink line, and that's certainly the level that you want to see the price stay above going forward. So we'll see how the rest of this week continues to unfold. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.